For over 15 years, Nash Distribution has been providing innovative solutions for the crawl space, basement, and foundation repair contractor. With a focus on superior service, unmatched support, installation, and sales training, plus rapid delivery of goods to our customers, we strive to adapt to our customers' changing needs. Whether you're an independent contractor or a multi-location national brand, Nash has the products and know-how to partner in your success. At Nash, we're proud to ship your favorite products same day, with great locations in Columbus, Ohio, and Nashville, Tennessee. Now, the company you trust is growing again. Introducing Nash Distribution, Atlanta, Georgia. With our expanded footprint, we're excited to be right where you are, in the training room and in the trenches. Let's load the truck and get to work. Nash Distribution, what you need now.